Hey there, this is Becca with You Can Book Me, and today I'm going to walk you through our Teams plan. Our Teams plan is super powerful. Let me show you how to get started. When you've upgraded to the Teams plan, you're able to invite as many team members as you need, depending on your subscription. For each team member, all you have to do is pop in their email address and choose what role that you would like them to have. They can be a contributor, meaning they can edit their own integrations and control their own bookings. They can be an editor. So they'll be able to do all of those things, plus they can edit the booking pages themselves, or an administrator who can edit everything except for billing. Only the owner can affect billing. The beautiful thing about the Teams plan is that you're able to list as many team members as you need available on your booking page for your customers to choose from, whether they have assigned representatives that you would like them to work with, or if maybe they don't have a preference and they can work with anybody on your team. You have the flexibility to make whomever available that you would like when you would like. There are many different ways that you can set up availability for your team. The first option is the booker can choose a team member from the list. That's just like what I showed you moments ago. The booker would be able to choose between Kurt Cobain, Tony Hawk, and Molly Ringwald. Or if they weren't sure, we can allow for a no preference option, meaning that the system would pick a person for them rather than them choosing themselves. You can have it so that the booker is automatically assigned a team member. You can have it so that it selects somebody at random between Kurt, Tony, and Molly, or you can have it assign team members based on order. What it's going to do is immediately give it to the first person on the list every time, unless that person is full. If that person doesn't have availability, then it'll go to the next person down the list. And you can rearrange who you want first just by clicking and dragging. So if you want Molly to take precedent over Kurt and Tony, all you have to do is drag her up the list. Finally, you have round robin, where you have two different choices. We can optimize the availability for the booker, meaning we're going to show everybody's availability in one calendar, not listing who each person is, just these are the time slots open. The booker can book and they'll be booked with whomever was free at that time based on the pooled availability. Or you can optimize for equal distribution, meaning that the system is going to work to keep everybody's calendars relatively equal. So you're not going to see Molly getting 17 bookings and Tony only getting 2. In equal distribution, if Molly's creeping up there too high, the system will push the workers to work with Kurt and Tony instead. There are dozens of native integrations within YouCanBookMe that can cut down your admin time and make your life easier. But if this is specifically for your sales team, you might want to look at our CRM integrations. We are directly integrated with HubSpot and Salesforce coming soon, very soon, probably by the time I post this video, if I'm being honest. You can have all of your customer data go directly into your CRM to make your life easier, whether it's who the booker is, whether they showed up or not, any details on where that meeting took place, it'll all automatically just pop into HubSpot and Salesforce for you without you having to do any work. Fabulous. And it saves admin time for your sales team so they can focus on doing the things that make the difference for your business instead. As with all of our plans, you have access to help and support at any time that you need it. But if you're on the Teams plan, you're getting priority support. We've got you. But on top of that priority support, there's always availability for help through our help docs, our community forum, and our tutorial videos. And if you're looking to get some help setting up a large team, you can request a demo and we will walk you through the process together. If your team has a highly technical use case, you can have access to our API documentation to do what you need to do to make this tool the best possible tool for your business. Centralized billing and account administration is all done through the owner's account. This means that you only have to log into one account in order to pay those bills. You're not logging into every single team member's accounts to upgrade credit card numbers. Nope, it's all done through the owner's account. So you can add seats, remove seats, change your credit card, get your invoices, adjust your billing, add people in, whatever you need to do, all centralized through your account. Is your team working in a whole bunch of different time zones? Ours too. Don't worry about it. With YouCanBookMe, we can optimize your booking pages to make it work for team members around the world. So if you have some team members in Asia, America, and Europe, and your customers are spread out as your team, you don't have to worry about figuring out availability or like crunching the numbers in your head to convert. Okay, what time is it in Toronto right now? And what does that mean for my team in Paris? You Can Book Me does that all for you. Your team members can just set everything up in their local time zone without doing any of that time travel math, and the system will adjust everything so that it's all showing uniform for your customers. If your customer is viewing your booking pages from Edmonton, Alberta, up in Canada, they're going to see it in their time zone. But meanwhile, if a customer in the south of France is viewing it, they're going to see it in their time zone simultaneously. That time travel math is completely done. Whether it's international team members or international customers, quit doing time travel math. That's what the system is for. You just need to plug and play, and we'll take care of the rest. The You Can Book Me Teams features are incredibly powerful for making your team's lives easier. Whether you're in office or you're working remotely, our tools are here to make sure that you do as little manual labor as possible and can just get your customers in the door booking with your team members. As always, if you have any questions whatsoever, please reach out to our team at any time. We're always more than happy to work with you and give you support no matter what plan you're on. Thank you so much for watching.